Hey YouTube, Pokemon Chasing 92 from Pokeback Generations here, and welcome to my last part of my Beast opening. On the first part, I pulled a Kyogre Groudon Legend, bottom half. My last part, from the Reshiram EX team, pulled Shiny Ember. That's a Beast pull. So yeah, let me just get started with the Forces of Nature collection box. So excited for this. Let me just take this plastic off. This is a really cool box. I picked all this stuff up at Toys R Us. So this just came out, or it didn't even come out, and I just got this early. I don't know, but this is awesome. Let me just open it right now. But here's the artwork. There's Landorus, Tornadus, and what's that name? Thundurus. Here's the back. Same thing. Nothing really on the side. Yeah, just get this stuff off. Get the promo out. This is the Beast promo. Let me just take the cards out and the other promos out. Oh snap. Keep hitting into the top loaders I'm using as my stand, and it's knocking my iPod down. 3 promos in one box, it's awesome. Especially that full art promo. There is, let me just get a couple sleeves. Let me see the full art promo first. I'll show you guys all these promos. Just getting my sleeves and everything out, organized, before I do anything else. So, yeah. Alright, so these are the 3 promos. Thundurus, oh shit, again. Thundurus reverse, right there. Tornadus reverse, and Landorus full art. They're all promos. Black and White 41, 2, and 3. These are awesome artworks. Should have made these like the original artworks. So, I'll get started with the packs. 2 emerging powers and call legends. Open call legends first. I'm hoping for a shining. Yeah. Got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Keeps falling. It's pissing me off now. Pineco, Magikarp, Fairy, Coughing, Mareep, Quilava, Magby, and a Dual Ball. My reverse is a Ursaring, which is a rare. It's cool. And my rare, ooh, nice. A Jirachi holo. So I'm doing good on the holos overall out of all of these packs. Yeah, I'm doing well on that. And the ultras. 2 so far. Here's the Jirachi holo. That's awesome. Now then, emerging powers. Code 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Clink, Cubchoo, Basculin, Pansear, Rufflet, Recycle, Crow, and a Watchog. My reverse. Oh shit! Pokemon catcher. Oh shit. Let me get that in the sleeve. That's like an ultra rare. It's a beast card. Holy shit. It's awesome. I'm putting that in a gold sleeve. It's freaking amazing. My rare is an Unfezant. Emerging powers. Last pack. Hope to end good. That catcher that was a shock. Didn't expect to get a Pokemon catcher, especially in reverse. Maybe regular, but not reverse. Code 12312. We got a Basculin, Sewaddle, Woobat, Rufflet, Vullaby, Audino, Boldore, and Whirlipede. My reverse, Panpour, and my rare. Oh shit, nice. A Tornadus Hollow. Awesome pulls. This box. So let me recap with everything I got in the opening. Hollows. That's all I'm gonna basically do. But first, I'm gonna get started with this awesome Pokemon catcher reverse. It's like 20 bucks. Nah, I'll say 15. Tornadus Hollow, Jirachi Hollow, Bisharp Hollow, Vileplume Hollow, and Magcargo Hollow. You guys gotta check out all the parts. They were all awesome. Got one main pull from each thing that I bought. I'll go through this. These two I got from the repack blister. This I got from the EX Players Pack. This and this from the Russian Remy X tin. And then these three from the Forces of Nature collection box. So I got beast pulls overall out of all the parts. So thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye.